Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I am here with another video, and this video is about Chandika Temple. Chandika Temple is a Chaigao in Assam. It is one of the most important and popular Shaktipeeths in Assam. The temple is full of legends and tales and carries a rich history and several myths both from the pages of written history and also the oral prehistory. The temple was constructed to worship Chandika, an incarnation of Parvati. The temple is situated at a distance of about 37 kilometers to the west of Guwahati. As per legends, the place where the present-day Chandika temple is situated was originally known as Champaknagar, and it was named after Chando Hodagor's mother Champa, also called as Champavati. Some say that to fulfill his mother's desire to bring down goddess Parvati from Mount Kailasa to earth so that a Gauri temple can be constructed, Sando Hodagor meditated near the mountain, and when Parvati was pleased with his prayers and dedication, she turned herself into a rock statue and asked Sando Hodagor to carry her on his shoulders without stopping to the place where his mother had asked to construct the Gauri temple. While he was about to reach his destination, he had the urge to attend the nature's call, and unwillingly he had to put the statue down. When he returned, he was unable to move the statue and thus constructed a temple there itself. Another mythical tale says that Sando Hodagor, after ending his long dispute with goddess Manasa, began offering prayers to her. However, one day goddess Bhavani appeared before him and told him that she would be leaving for Kailasa as Devi Manasa, and she can never be in good terms, and both of them staying together at one place would lead to a dispute between the two, and the merchant will have to bear the brunt of it. Things, however, changed when Sando Hodagor and his wife Soneka prayed to the goddess, and finally the goddess was compelled to stop at Charakyar Char. She asked Chando Hodagor to build a temple for her in that place. Taking the incarnation as goddess Chandi, she established herself in the northwest direction, turning into a rock statue. As per the third myth, it is said that goddess Mahamaya appeared in Sando Hodagor's dream while he was in South India for 12 years during business. The goddess asked him to visit Lanka and meet its king Vibhishana. She told Chando Hodagor to request Vibhishana to give him the rock statue of her that was lying there in total ignorance, and he accordingly did the same. A fleet of 14 boats journeyed back from Lanka But when boats arrived near a hill named Dudhnath, the goddess made the 13th boats sink in the river. However, the 14th boat could not be sunk due to the presence of the Shivlinga and the statue of the goddess Mahamaya. Sando, however, reached the bank himself and moved to Champaknagar. While heading towards Champaknagar, the boat suddenly came into a halt near the Charakiyar Jhar. Unable to move the boat, everyone decided to put the rock statue of the goddess there itself. As soon as they did so, the boat moved by itself and all the people present there reached the Balasiddhi Ghat. Sando Hadagar was informed about the incident and thereafter he built a very beautiful temple in the Charakiyar Jhar and established the goddess there itself. Surrounded by legends and myth, the glory of the temple spread all over and caught the eye of Swargadev Shivasingha, the then Ahom king of Assam. In 1647, he ordered Anuj Dwara, the Borphukon of the Guwahati, to build the Chandika temple. In no time, the temple was built and Doloi means chief officer of Hindu temple, Purohit, and 5 Paikars were appointed for the management of the temple. Dear friends, the Chandika Mandir is really very beautiful. I have visited the place with my family and it is bestowed with nature's greenery. So I hope you should also come and visit the place. Friends, আজি মোৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আপোনালোকে দেখা পালে আমি কেনেদৰে চন্দিকা মন্দিৰলৈ গ'লোঁ আৰু চন্দিকা মন্দিৰ ছয়গাঁৱত আছে। এই মন্দিৰটো দেখিবলৈ খুবেই ধুনীয়া হয়। ইয়াতে খুব সুন্দৰ সেউজীয়া পৰিৱেশ আছে আৰু এই মন্দিৰটো কেনেদৰে চান্দ সদাগৰে বনোৱাইছিলে আৰু এই মন্দিৰটোত চান্দ সদাগৰৰ মাতৃয়ে এইটো মন্দিৰত ইচ্ছা কৰিছিলে যে দেক পূজা কৰিব, আৰাধনা কৰিব আৰু সেইকাৰণে এই মন্দিৰটো বনোৱা গৈছিলে। আৰু ইয়াৰে যিবিলাক কাহিনী আছে সেইটো মই আপোনালোকক এই ভিডিঅ'টোত মই বুজাই জনোৱালোৱে। গতিকে আশা কৰিছোঁ আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে। যদি ভাল পাইছে মোক কমেণ্টছত নিশ্চয় জনাব। ধন্যবাদ।